My name is Mia Wright. I'm a senior studying mechanical engineering. My project is a soft robotics toolkit for middle school STEM education, and it's titled The Claw. And it's mainly to help underrepresented students in STEM, especially within robotics, get interested in this field. My kit involves two separate parts within soft robotics. The first one is a tendon-driven actuator. So essentially you have a piece of silicone and then you have strings pulling through it. And so as you pull it, it bends essentially like your finger. So the strings act as tendons. And then the other aspect is pneumatics. So this one uses air to inflate. So instead of having a string bend, you have these tubing and then you have a syringe. And as you inflate, the actuators themselves bend. And so both of these aspects of this project come together to create a gripper, or two different kinds of grippers that students can use within the classroom as an activity. So coming into this, I was pretty much a complete beginner in terms of how do you even pour silicone? How do you use silicone? How does it behave? So throughout this build process, I learned extremely useful skills just in terms of building, but also the process of designing for soft robotics is very different than anything I had ever experienced before, especially because I can basically design this in a CAD software, but then I had to go and figure out how can I make a mold that then actually creates what I want it to create. And then especially with pneumatics, I learned that basically pneumatic soft actuators won't behave the way that you think they would at first. And so then it takes a little bit of design iterations to get there. But overall, I actually had a really great experience learning how to design for an end user specifically, and it's specifically for middle schoolers, because there was an aspect of education to my project that otherwise, if I had a different project, I wouldn't have to worry about. So I was balancing the engineering and the education while also making it fun. So that's why I have different colors with my silicone, and it's not just clear. My mother is an educator, and so I've grown up around that and knowing that hands-on learning really solidifies what you're reading in a textbook and also what you're trying to learn within the classroom, but also gives you kind of a memory to attach that knowledge to. So instead of just watching a video where, oh, this is a soft actuator, I can remember, oh, when I went around the classroom trying to pick up these objects, I remember how difficult it was because of this scientific basis, whether it's just I didn't have enough volume or I didn't have enough force within the actuator themselves.